Reverend Abraham Iwinosa Edosama, a man anointed and ordained by God to preach, teach, and minister the whole truth to the whole man. He is gifted in ministering the word in the areas of family lives and relationship, business and leadership. He is touching lives at Christian Missionary Church, Grace and Glory Center, every Sunday morning, 7 a.m. and Wednesday, 5 p.m. Christian Missionary Church is located at 51 Emerald Street, off Aduwawa College Road, off Auchi Road, Benin City. Grace and Glory Center. Grace and Glory Center. Grace and Glory Center. For inquiries, please call 080-3649-8616 or 081-5267-60110.
Christian Missionary Church, Grace and Glory Center, a place where the word works wonders.